Hi, here is a quick guide on how to use your Proc360 warehouse. So on your Proc360 home page, you have to come down here to the bottom of your screen and click on Store. Then it takes you to the store dashboard. This is what your store dashboard looks like. Then you find the warehouse addresses, your unique warehouse addresses, right? So we have the warehouse address for air and we have the warehouse address for sea. It is very important that while copying this warehouse address, you do not change anything because we have unique identifiers for you that's been attached to these addresses. So this is your own unique identifier. Let's say this name here, there is a code TCA0047. It's a unique identifier and the name for you. So it is your unique warehouse address and should not be changed so that your goods or your items that are on the way to the warehouse doesn't get misplaced, right? So you copy here by clicking this button. That is if you want to use the air warehouse address, or you click here if you want to use the C warehouse address. So once you copy the warehouse address, then you head over to your Chinese app. It could be 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, and so on, right? And you set up this address as it is without changing anything. Or you could even send it directly to the supplier that you are buying from. So once you have set up your address or you've sent it to your supplier and you have placed the order, right? And your order is now all on the way to the warehouse, or your parcels are on the way to the warehouse, you come back here with the tracking code, that is the parcel tracking code of that item, and you add it here. So let's say you have a single parcel that is coming to the warehouse. You need to copy that parcel tracking code from the Chinese app you used in placing your order, or copy the parcel tracking code that was given to you by your supplier and paste it here. So let's say I was given, or I copied. So yeah, this is the parcel tracking code and the warehouse address I used, right, in setting up my address on the Chinese app is the air warehouse address, right? Or the air warehouse address I gave to the supplier. So I just click on air. I could check the request quality check button here. I could check the button that if I want quality check. But if I do not want quality check in this case, I just go ahead to click on add parcel. And yes, my parcel has been added successfully to my store. So if I have more than one parcel, or let's take for instance, you have more than one parcels that are being sent to the warehouse, you ordered a lot of things and they are coming from different suppliers. You do not have to, add them one after the other. Just come here to this button here, copy and paste bulk parcel. So you click on it, you select the warehouse, so air warehouse. Could be A or C, depending on the address that you used, right, on your Chinese app or the one that you gave to your supplier. Then I paste all of the parcel tracking codes I got from the Chinese app or I got from my suppliers here in this field. So let's say, yeah. So it is very important that you space out the tracking codes to avoid getting an error message. So you either use a, comma, or use a tab, or you just go to a new line like I am doing here. So these are the parcel tracking codes, you know, of all of the items I am expecting. I also do not want to request for quality check, so I might just have to leave this button here unchecked and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you see that there is the button for quality check here, right? I do not want quality check. I just want my items delivered to the warehouse and packed and shipped. So I just, go ahead to click on add parcels. And voila, all items that I am expecting to be delivered at the warehouse have been added to my store. So once it gets to the warehouse, this tracking code that you have added will be used to confirm that they have arrived. Thank you.